Hello my dear students, welcome in maths class. In this class I am going to discuss question number 9 and question number 3 of exercise 12.2 class 9 chapter name Heron's formula. So let's start with the question number 9. Question number 9 is here. A field is in the shape of trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. The non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. So a field is in the shape of trapezium and parallel sides are 25 and 10, non-parallel sides are 14 and so area of the field we have to find out here. So let us suppose this is a B, C, D. It is a trapezium. Parallel sides are, this is 10 meter and AB is 25 meter. Non-parallel sides, one is 14 and one is 13. Now what we'll do in construction part, draw CE line parallel to AD. So these two lines are parallel. This is by construction, and AE and CD, it is given in question because it is a trapezium. So if AB and CD are parallel, so it means AE and CD will also be parallel. Now both pairs of opposite sides are parallel to each other. So therefore AECD becomes a parallelogram. So in solution part, what we'll write here, draw CE parallel to AD, so that AECD is a parallelogram. And if it is a parallelogram, so opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal. So CD is 10, therefore AE is also 10 meter. AD and EC will be the 14 meter. Now we will find area of this triangle BEC by using Heron's formula, and then we will find its area by using half into base into height, and then we'll equate both the equations. So here BC is BE is 15, C is 14, and this BC is 13. So three sides are 13, 14 and 15 of this triangle. So to find area of this triangle, A is 15, B is 14, C is 13. Semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C divided by 2. So it is coming 21. Now area of triangle formula by using Heron's formula is S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. So 21, 21 minus 15, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 13. So it is coming 21 into 6 into 7 into 8. Now we will do prime factorization. So 21 prime factorization is 7 into 3, 6 prime factorization is 3 into 2, 7 as it is, and prime factorization of it is 2 into 2 into 2. So it is 7 into 7. Now we will write all the same terms together. So 7 into 7, 3 into 3. Now 2 is coming 4 times. So all 4s are together, and after that we will complete the pairs. So pair of 7 completed, then pair of 3 completed, pair of 2 completed, there pair of 2 completed. So 7, 3s are 21, 2s are 42, 42, 2s are 84. So area of triangle is 84 meter square. Now we will apply the formula half into base into height. So base is BE here, that is 15, and height, let us suppose it is H. So 1 by 2 base into height is equal to 84, and height is equal to 84 into 2 upon 15. So after solving, it is coming 5 3s are 15 and 3 5s are 15, and 3 into 28 is 84. So 28 into 2 is 56 upon 5. Height is 56 upon 5 meter. So area of trapezium is 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides into H. This is the formula of area of trapezium. So parallel sides are 25 and 10. It is given in question, and height we have calculated 56 upon 5. So 25 plus 10, it is coming 35 into 56 upon 5. 5 and 35 will cancel out. So 2 and 56 will cancel out. It is coming 7 into 28. So it is 196 meter square. This is the area of the trapezium. So now question number 3 is here. Radha made a picture of aeroplane with the colored paper as shown in the figure 12.15. This is the 12.1 figure, 15 figure. Find the total area of the paper used. You see this figure is made up of the different figures like figure 1, 2, then 3, 4 and then 5. So we will find area of all the figures separately, and in the last we have to find the total areas, and to find the total area we will add the areas of all the figures. So first figure is, you see it is an isosceles triangle. So if this side is 5, second one also will be the 5, and base is here. Base is not given, but if you'll see the base of this figure 2, it is a side of this figure is 1 centimeter. So it means the base of this triangle is also the 1 centimeter. So three sides of this triangle are 5, 5 and 1. So to find area of this figure, A is 5, B is 5 and C is 1. So semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C divided by 2, that is 11 by 2. So area of figure 1 is S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. 11 by 2, that is 11 by 2 minus 5, 11 by 2 minus 5, 11 upon 2 minus 1. So it is coming 11 upon 2. After taking LCM, it is coming 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 9 by 2. So now the square root of 9 is 3, and you see in the denominator 2 pairs of 2 are completed. So from each pair we will take one digit out, and under root 11 will be the inside. So it is coming 3 upon 4 under root 11 centimeter square. Area of figure 2. So you see here figure 2 is in the shape of rectangle. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. So length is 6.5 and breadth is 1. So it is coming 6.5 centimeter square. Area of figure 3. You see this figure 3 is in the shape of the rhombus. It is similar to the question number 9 of this exercise 12.2. So to find area of this figure, we draw a figure here. This is a trapezium. This side is 2 centimeter and this is 1 centimeter. So let us suppose it is A, B, C, D. Now draw CE parallel to the AD. You see these two sides are parallel and AE and CD are parallel, so it becomes a parallelogram. So it is 1. So AE is also 1 and remaining one is also the 1 centimeter. So you see this is AD and C, both are parallel and equal also. So it is 1 centimeter. In triangle BEC, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, all the three sides are equal. So it becomes a equilateral triangle. So area of equilateral triangle is, that is BEC under root 3.4 into side square. So side is 1, it is under root 3 by 4 into 1 square, that is under root 3 by 4 centimeter square. So, and now we will apply half into base into height in this triangle, 1 by 2 base into height. So base is 1 and height, let us suppose it is h. So it is coming h by 2 is equal to under root 3 by 4 and h is equal to under root 3 by 4 into 2. So it is coming 2 and 4 will cancel out, it is coming under root 3 by 2. So that is the height of this trapezium. Now area of trapezium is 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides into height. So parallel sides are 2 and 1. Into height is under root 3 by 2. So 2 plus 1 is coming 3. So it is coming 3 into under root 3 and 2 to the 4. So it is coming 3 under root 3 by 4. So now area of the figure 4, and now figure 4 and 5 is in the shape of the right angle triangles, and base is 1.5 and height is 6. So area of figure 4 is 1 by 2 base into height. So 2 and 6 will cancel out. 3 into 1.5 is 4.5, and that will be the area of the figure 5, that is 4.5, because these figures are similar. Now the area of paper required is equal to sum of all the 5 figures, that is 3 upon 4 under root 11, 6.5, 3 under root 3 upon 4 plus 4.5 plus 4.5. So now we will do the addition of this decimal numbers. It is coming 15.5 and 3 upon 4 under root 11 and 3 under root 3 upon 4. Now we will find the square root of under root 11 and square root of under root 3. Square root of under root 3 is 1.73 and under root 11 is 3.32. We have calculated the square roots also here. So after substituting values, it is 3 by 4 into 3.32. So it is coming 9.96 upon 4 and it is coming 5.19 upon 4 plus 15.4. So when we'll divide it is coming 2.49, and 5.19 divided by 4, it is approximately 1.30 plus 15.5, and when we will do addition it is coming 19.29, and when I will do the approximate round off of this value, so this digit is 9, we will carry 1, so it becomes 19.3 centimeter. And here I have explained how we will find the square root of 11. So 11.0000, you will make the pairs after decimal and before decimal also. So 3 3s are 9, remainder is 2. We will carry the next pair. So double of 3 is 6 here. Now 6 3s are 63, 3s are 189, remainder is 11 here. Now next is pair we will carry, it is coming 1100. Now the double of 33 is 66 into 1, it is 661, so it is coming 439. Now we will carry another pair, it is coming 439. So 6627 when we will multiply by 7, it is approximately nearer to the 43900. So it is coming 3.317, and the third digit is 7, it is more than 5. And when we will carry it, when we find the approximate value, so 1 will be shifted to the here, so it is coming 3.32. In the same way, under root 3 is 1.73. So substitute these values, and after substituting, my answer is coming here 19.3. So that's all. Thank you very much.